So friends, Bollinger Bands are very important concept to understand the volatility in the market. They are helpful to identify three important items. First one is volatility, that is expansion and contraction of the price. If you see, I have inserted a Bollinger Band chart from the indicators here. You can see that the price is being up moving and down moving inside this Bollinger Band. If you check the details of this Bollinger Band, the details show that length is 20 and mult is 2. What does it mean? It means that this red line is showing a moving average of 20 days, and these above lines, that blue line is being showing the standard deviation of 2. So these are just reflecting that how much deviation is there from the 20 days or 20 period moving average. Now you see the size of the Bollinger Band is reflecting a very good indicator about the volatility. If you see that there is a huge gap between the band, that is the band size is very big, as you can see here. The band size is big, so volatility is too high, as you can see from the volume diagram also below. The volatility is too high and the size of the band is too big, and this area is showing a very narrow area, so the volatility at this particular area is low. So in the case of Bollinger Band, volatility identification is very easy. Also, it also tells about the breakouts. Breakout means whenever the new price trend starts or it changes the levels, that is, if the prices are going to increase or the prices are going to decrease, these keep on telling about us the breakouts. So if you can see here that this particular area was a very narrow area, but after that, if you see that these candles are outside the Bollinger Band, this candle is outside Bollinger Band, this candle is outside Bollinger Band, the low of this particular candle is outside Bollinger Band, and these candles are also outside Bollinger Band. So there is an indicator that the price is going towards downside because there is an excessive pressure on the bearish side because the candles are outside these Bollinger Bands. And if you see the particular area that these are outside also, if I show you the Bollinger Band from here also, so let me choose the Bollinger Band here, and if I show you the Bollinger Band, you can see some of the candles. Let's identify the candles, and you can see this particular candle here. So you can see that the candles are outside the area of this Bollinger Band. So whole of this area you can just enter the trade, or you can just get the signal here for outside the Bollinger Band that the prices are going outside, so the prices are decreasing, and this is an indicator that there is a breakout, that the prices are going to increase or decrease. The breakout can be a positive breakout or negative breakout. That whole depends upon the accumulation of other charts along with the Bollinger Band. You can use the RSI chart, you can use the other kind of chart also with this Bollinger Band. Also, the Bollinger Band tells you about the continuation of trend, that how the trend is continuing. As you know that if the prices are, let's suppose these prices are decreasing, so the decreasing side keep on telling you the continuation of trend. And let's find another Bollinger Bands also which gives us the indication about continuation of trends. So let's see this particular area. If you see this particular area, these candles are outside the Bollinger Bands, and this is a continuity showing that the prices are outside these ranges. So once the prices are outside these ranges of for 2 to 3 candles or 4 candles for a particular time frame, whatever time frame you are using, you can simply say that it's reflecting a continuation of trend. So Bollinger Band is an important tool to identify the volatility, and it, if used with other indicators, can provide a reasonable criteria for entering the signals and the market for buy and sell.